So I'm Nikhil, I'm from AC Tech, companies based in Mumbai, and we are manufacturers of all kinds of heaters. As you can see, we have various kinds of heaters available. We have infrared heaters, we have band heaters, we have thermocouples, accessories, everything. So our heaters are mainly catering to all the polymer industries. We supply heaters for preform, we supply heaters for blow molding machines, and we supply heaters for forming, medical, and there are numerous applications we supply to. So we have our office in Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, everywhere, and we can definitely cater to the best quality, the best service, the best price for you. So yeah, we can visit our stall. It's our L16 stall in hall number 3. So far it's been pretty good. In the morning, since the morning we have met so many people, so many potential clients, people from different areas of Andhra. They are coming and visiting our plant, and they are interested in the product. So it's been so good so far. Thank you.